In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily change the region on your eBay account to adjust the currency, which can be particularly useful when you're making purchases or selling items internationally. First, we'll begin by navigating over to eBay. You'll want to open up your preferred web browser and type in eBay's URL, or simply search for it in Google and click on the official link. Once the eBay homepage loads, ensure you're logged into your account to access the full suite of features. If you're not already logged in, you will need to enter your credentials and go through the necessary verification steps. Once you are on your eBay homepage and logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find your profile icon. Click on this profile icon, which brings up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Account Settings option. This is where you'll find all the customizable settings for your eBay account, adding a layer of personalization and functionality suited to your needs. Within the account settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll see a section titled eBay Sites, which showcases a list of country or region options. This section is crucial as it determines the country settings for your account. By selecting your preferred country from this list, you automatically change the currency associated with your account. This functionality is not only user-friendly, but essential when interacting and transacting with the global marketplace that eBay offers. For example, switching to a European country will convert your listings and purchases to euros, while choosing a country in Asia will switch to that region's prevalent currency. It is often as simple as a click of the drop-down menu and selecting the desired country from the available list. After changing your country or region, there is no need to save any settings manually, as eBay automatically updates your selections. It's a seamless transition that ensures your account is tailored precisely for your regional preferences, mitigating any confusion when shopping or listing items for sale. And there you have it. You are now all done and have successfully changed your regional settings on eBay. With just a few clicks, you have navigated through the necessary settings to change your currency based on your location or your needs. This simple and effective adjustment allows you to operate more fluidly within eBay's global marketplace, enhancing your buying and selling experience. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides on leveraging online platforms more effectively.